Hi everyone, RANA sir is here. How are you dears? Welcome to our RANA sir educational channel. Today I will talk about a topic whose name is pair of linear equation into variables. Okay student, therefore I am going to say you follow positively this informations, that is suggestion. You present या concentrate on this live video from start to end, and also simultaneously you like this live video and also share this live video with your colleagues, friend and student, and also simultaneously share this educational channel with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is pair of linear equation into variable. Okay student, so I am also giving some motivational point. You also concentrate on this video with a proper notebook and also a pen. You have to also take a pen and then you have to sit at your location properly, and then you have to also listen each and every information, that is sentence what I am telling you. Okay student, and also you have to write all those information which are displayed on the blackboard, that is that displayed by me. You have to also note those informations properly, because if you write, so each and every information later you can easily understand, and simultaneously you are getting any confusion, so you write their comment and I will see your comment and then positively I will reply. Okay student, so you follow these informations which are I are which I have told you. Okay student, so one by one I am going to explain in detail. Now this is the mathematics class 10, that is English medium, which is based on English medium, and also this is pattern. That pattern is known as NCERT pattern, and that belongs in CBSE board. Okay student, so this is the chapter number 3 I have written here. Now you have to read this. This is the information of the chapter name, that is the pair of linear equations in two variables. So I have already explained, that is described the concept of pair of linear equation in two variables. Already concept I have interpreted, that is I have already explained with you in previous classes. Okay student, so if any student which has missed this theory, so you go in my live video and also there available, and also you see in video section you will find the solution and also the concept of pair of linear equation in two variables in Hindi medium. From there you can learn easily. Okay student, so I have given you several ideas, so from there you can learn easily. If you will get again problem, yeah again issue, yeah again doubt, so again you write comment, so I will resolve your issue. Okay student, so here I have solved many questions which are related to pair of linear equations in two variables. Already I have described. Now I have also taken one question which are related to textbook, and that question is also based on pair of linear equation in two variable. Here statements are given. I will use the concept of statement and I will make linear equations. Two linear equations I will make, and then I will say both linear equation will convert in the form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because pair of linear equation has three conditions. If in first condition is existing, it means that both lines will not parallel to each other. If both lines will not parallel to each other, so one line will intersect the other line, so I will get the coordinate point, and that coordinate point I will say the point of intersection. Okay student, so first of all I will read this question, and after reading this question and I will make the equations, and after solving equation I will get two linear equations, and in the place of two I will use pair of linear equations in two variables, and then I will use the concept of substitution elimination method, any one method I will use to find its solution. Okay student, so first of all you concentrate on this live video from starting to end for understanding it in detail. Okay student, so question is written like this. I am going to explain its meaning in detail. Okay student, a fraction becomes 9 by 11. A fraction which is available 9 by 11. If 2 is added, here 2 is added to both. One is the numerator, and other is the denominator. In both numerator and denominator, this 2 is added. So I will get one condition, and in I will solve one condition, so I will get a linear equation in two variables. Now second condition is say if 3 is added, this 3 is added. Now in the previous 2 is added, but here written 3 is added to both. One is numerator and other is denominator. So again I will add in the previous assumed fraction, that is 3 in the numerator and also in denominator. So I will get, and that is second condition, and it becomes 5 by 6. So after adding I will get the value of that fraction, that will be equal to 5 by 6. So this will be second condition. I will solve, so I will get another linear equation, and both linear equation I will say that is the pair of linear equation in two variables. If I will take variable, one will be x and other is y, so one variable will be x and other variable will be y, and then we will solve, and after solving we will get the value of x and y, and in the form of fraction I will say that fraction is written in the form of x with y. So I will put the value of x and also the value of y, and after simplification I will get its values, that will be the required certain fraction of the given question. Okay student, so you concentrate on this video, this live video, and I am going to give the proper solution of this question positively. Okay student, so first of all I am going to write here solution, and then I will write here solution. In the case of solution, first I will say let means assume, let x divided by y be the fraction, be the proper fraction, that I will say x but y, that is the be the fraction. I will write here fraction. Okay, so this step I will assume means suppose let x divided by y be the fraction. It means that I can say that here y cannot be 0, because here y will be 0, so it will be undefined. So here I am going to write one condition, and this condition you have to know it. So in note you can write y cannot be 0. Okay student, now according to question I am going to write its solution. Now here I am going to write according to question, I can write that fraction is x divided by y. Here 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So in numerator I am going to write 2, and in denominator I am also going to write 2. So that will become 9 by 11. So here I am going to write 9 by 11. So I will say this is the condition number 1. As per the given information I have written here, let x divided by y be the fraction. I have assumed here but here I am going to write one condition, y cannot be 0. Okay student, so after writing that condition I am going to write according to the question, that is according to the information which are given in the question. I have to write here according to the question. It means that I have assumed x but y here is written, but here 2 is added in numerator and also 2 is added here to denominator, that will become 9 divided by 11. So I will say this is the equation number 1. So after simplification I will get a linear equation in two variables x and y. So that linear equation I am going to solve. After solving I will write it in general form. General form I can say that ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. This is a general linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay student, so this expression I will change in the equation part. Okay student, so this information I am going to say because it is useful. So according to information I will write, so fraction I will write here fraction which is equal to x divided by y, and y cannot be 0. I have to write here. Okay student, now further I am going to remove here, erase this data, and after simplification I will write equation. Okay student, so here I will multiply with 11 in this bracket, and this bracket I will multiply with this 9. Okay student, after multiplication I will get its value, that is here I will use the concept of cross multiplication. Okay student, so further I am going to write here imply that here I will write x plus 2 and I will multiply with 11 which is equal to, here equal to sign is given, so here I will put y plus 2 into I will multiply with 9. Okay student, so after multiplication I will simplify it again. Now I will write here imply that 11 is multiplied with x and 11 is also multiplied with 2. Here 9 is multiplied with y and 9 is multiplied with 2. So this multiplication I will use. So 11 into x I will write 11x plus 2 into 11 I will write 2 into 11 which is equal to 9 into y, 9y plus 2 into 9 I can write. Okay student, so this data I am going to erase. So further I will simplify all terms of the right hand side I will take in the left hand side. Okay student, so further I am going to simplify it. After simplification I will take all terms of the right I will take in left. Okay student, so here I will write here 11x plus 11 to the 22 is equal to 9y to 9 18. So again I will put all terms in left hand side. So here I will write imply that 11x plus 22 minus 9y, here I will write minus 18 which is equal to 0. The student has to concentrate on this point because this 9y has plus sign, it will come in left hand side, it will change its sign. So here is plus sign, but after coming in left hand side it will be minus sign. So here also plus sign is available, it will come after in left hand side, so it will also change sign, so its sign will be negative. And right hand side there will be no any term, so I will put there 0. Okay student, now further I will simplify it. So above data I am going to erase. Now here I am going to write imply that 11x minus I will write here 9y, and then here I will subtract from 22 minus 18, that will be 12 minus 8, that will be 4 equal to 0. So previous I have assumed that equation number 1 it will be equation number 2. So this is the linear equation in two variables x and y. So one variable is x and other variable is y. X has coefficient 11 and y has coefficient -9, but here constant term is available. I will say that is 4, -4. Okay, student. So now second condition I will use. Now here saying if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. According to question, again I will write according to question. Again I will write that fraction is available x divided by y. So in numerator I am going to write 3 and in denominator I am going to also write 3. After adding it will become 5 divided by 6. After adding this term will become that fraction will become that is 5 divided by 6. Okay student, so I will say this is the equation number 3. So this is the equation number 3. Now again I will use the concept of cross multiplication, and after cross multiplication I will simplify it. After simplifying this expression I will also think in standard form, standard linear equation of two variables, that is ax plus by plus c, where a, b, c are the constant value and its value will be from -infinity to +infinity. Okay student, so I am going to use cross multiplication. So here I will say this 6 is multiplied with this term and this term is going to multiply with this term. So this process is known as cross multiplication. So this is important. I am going to also save this equation because further I will use. So because here there is no space, therefore we have to erase this data. After erasing this data I will simplify. Okay, therefore I am going to save this equation. That is 11x minus 9y minus 4 which is equal to 0. I have told this equation number is this equation number second. Okay student, so according to the given instruction I will solve it. Again I am going to erase this one. So I will write here imply that x plus 3 into, I will write here into, here is 6, so I will put here 6, and here is a y plus 3, so I will write here y plus 3 into, here is a 5, so I will put here 5. Okay student, again I am going to erase this data because after erasing, so I will get some space and then I will solve here. So here 6 is multiplied with x and 6 is also multiplied with 3 and 5 is multiplied. I will multiply with y and 5 is also multiplied with 3. So after multiplication I will write like this: 6x plus 3 into 6 which is equal to 5 into y plus 3 into 5. So each and every student can understand it properly. Okay students, so if you are understanding it, therefore you like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, and also simultaneously you you also subscribe this educational channel with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also understand and also they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is pair of linear equation in two variable. Already its condition I have already interpreted, that is explained, that is described in the previous classes, when I will solve and I will make two equations in two variables, that is pair, that will be pair of linear equation in two variables. So I will check condition, in which condition these two equations are existing, and then that condition I will also explain here. Okay students, now further I am going to resolve this question. So here I can write 6x plus 3, 6 18. So here I will write 18, which is equal to 5y. Here I am going to write 5y, and then I will say here 3 5 are 15, so here I will write 15. Okay student, so all term of the right hand side I will take in left hand side, but here you have to concentrate on sign because each and every term has sign. So I will take in left hand side, so previous sign will change. If previous sign will be positive, so in left hand side will be negative. If previous sign will have negative, so that will go in left hand side, that will have sign positive. Okay student, so I will use this concept. Now for the above data I am going to erase. Now for further calculation, so here I will write imply that here I am going to write 6x, and here 18 is available, so I will put here 18. This 5 is available plus sign, so it will come in left hand side, so I will put minus 5y. Again I will put here minus 15, which is equal to 0, because in left right hand side there is no any term, so I will put there 0. Okay student, so again I am further going to simplify. So here I will write imply that, so here I will put 6x minus 5y, and here I will substitute from 18 to 15, that will be 3, which is equal to 0. Previous I have assumed that is the equation number. Previous equation already I have told that is equation number 3, so it will be equation number 4. Okay student, so this is the equation number 1 I have already saved here, and this is the equation number 4. So after the second condition I have got this equation number, this equation, and this equation is the linear pair of equation in, and this is the linear equation in two variables x and y, and when both equation I will combine, so that will be the pair of linear equation in two variables ax and y. So here I am going to also write 11x minus 9y, and here minus 4 is available, so I will put here 0, and this is the equation number second. So here I am going to write this is the equation number second. So these two equations I will combine, so I will say this is the pair of linear equation in two variables, that is variable here I have used x and y. So here I am going to check the condition. First condition of pair of linear equation in two variables, that is a1 divided by a2, which is not equal to b1 divided by b2. If this condition both linear equation is following, it means that both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that both lines will cut at a certain point, so that both lines will be like this. One line will be L1 and other line will be L2, and so this point I will say that is the intersection point, and its coordinate will be x comma y. Okay student, so after checking condition, and then I will say this is the geometrical meaning of the obtained two linear equation in two variables. Okay student, so further I am going to check its condition. So here I am going to take the value of a1, the value of a1 divided by a2, and also I will find the value of b1 divided by b2. If this condition is available here, so I will say there is unique solution. There is an unique solution. So here in equation number second, the value of a1 is 11, and the value of a2, which is 6. That is the coefficient of x in equation number 4. So here I have to write the value of b1 is minus 9, and the value of b2 is minus 5. It means that according to the information, these two values are not equal to each other. It means that both line is intersecting at a certain point, so there will be a unique solution. In other words, we can say that there exists a unique solution. So here I will write a condition there is solution. There is an unique solution. Okay, students, I hope that you are knowing very well this concept. So, if equation number second and equation number 4 are available here, so if both equation I will combine, so I will insert pair of linear equation into variable x and y, so I will get the value of a1 divided by a2, which is not equal to b1 divided by b2. If this condition, these both equations are following, so in other words we can say that both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that these lines are not parallel to each other, so both lines will intersect at a point, and that point I will say that is the intersection point, and its coordinate will be x comma y. Okay, student, so here I have got its value a1 divided by a2, that is 11 divided by 6, which is not equal to minus 9 divided by minus 5. So both values are not equal to each other. It means that I will say definitely it will cut at a certain point, and that point I will say I, that is I denotes the intersection point, and its coordinate will be x comma y. Okay, student, so it is clear, I hope that. Okay, student, now further I am going to get the value of x and y. Okay, student, and after getting the value of x and y, and then I will write its proper fraction. What is the its fraction? I will write that fraction. Okay, student, so here there are in first condition there are two methods to calculate the value of x and y, but here I will use any one method from two methods. One method is the elimination method, and other method is substitution method. Any method I can use to find the value of x and y. Okay, student, you are independent. In the question not mentioned, you have to use substitution method. Yeah, you have to use here elimination method for finding the fraction value. So if method is mentioned here, so you have to use that method. If method is not given in the question, so you are independent for using any one method from two methods. That is two methods are available like this. One is the elimination and other is the substitution method. Okay, student, so I am going to write it properly, and after writing it I will solve these two questions and these two linear equations, and I will get the value of x and y, and after getting its value, and I will write here the coordinate point x comma y, and after that I will find its fraction value. Here you can find the fraction. So fraction is already I have assumed fraction, that fraction is available x divided by y, and y cannot be 0. After solving the value of x and y by using any one of two methods, one is the substitution and other is elimination. So after putting the value of in this expression, that is x divided by y, so I will put here the value of x and also the value of y. That will be the proper fraction of the given question. Okay, student, and how I am going to give its solution. Okay, student, so I am going to write it properly. First I will write equation number 2. So equation number 2 is written like this: 11x minus 9y minus 4 which is equal to 0, and this equation number I have written here, equation number 2. So I am going to erase this, and equation number 4 is available here, so there is no need to erase here. So this equation I should also save here, because if I will save, so if any time I need, so I can use from here. So there is requirement for writing. Okay, students, so here I am going to use the concept of elimination method. Any method you can use, you are independent, because you are independent because method is not mentioned here. So you are independent, you can use any method. So I am going to use elimination method so you can learn it, because both method I had taught you in previous classes. So you can also go in my live video, and also you can go in video section, and from there you can learn in Hindi medium and also in English medium, because real number chapter number 1 I have also elaborated in Hindi medium, and some Hindi medium, and also some questions I have also solved in polynomial, that is the chapter number 2 already I have elaborated in Hindi medium and also in English medium. Okay students, and this is the chapter number 3. This is the chapter number 3 whose name is pair of linear equation in two variables. Several questions I have also described with you. Several solution of several questions I have also gave you. Now tomorrow I will start next chapter. Whose name will be chapter name will be 4, and that is the quadratic equation. Okay student, in other words, in quadratic equation in Hindi medium, that is also called a Dvigha Samikran. Okay student, so quadratic equation tomorrow I will also start. Okay student, so further I am going to get solution of this chapter of this question. Okay students, so you concentrate on this solution. So now here I am going to use elimination method. So in the case of elimination method, we have to make the coefficient of x in first equation and also the coefficient of x in second equation, we have to make equal. So equal can be obtained if the coefficient of x in the equation number 4, which is equal to 6. So I will multiply 6 in each term of the equation number 2. And the equation in the equation number 2, the coefficient of x is equal to 11. So in the 11, I will multiply in each term of the equation number 4. So after multiplication, we will get the same coefficient of x in both equations. So I will use the concept of elimination method, and then we will eliminate the value of x, and then we will get the value of y. After getting the value of y, I will put the value of y in equation number 2 in equation number 4. Then I will get the value of x. Okay student, so I will write here the coordinate point of y, that will be the value of x, comma the value of y. After writing it, I will also write its value in this fraction, because the value of fraction is needed in the question. So that fraction value will be x divided by y. So I will put the value of y in at this location, and also we have to put the value of y here in this expression. After simplify, I will get the proper fraction. Okay students, so now further I am going to use one statement here, so you properly understand it. If you will get any confusion or doubt, so you comment your doubt and I will see your comment. After looking your comment positively, I will reply. Okay students, so properly I am going to write here, putting the I am going to write multiplying with 6, multiplying with 6. Here I am going to write here multiplying with 6 in each term, of the equation number 2, of the equation number 2. On both sides we get, on both sides we get. So here I am going to write on both sides we get. So here I have written one statement, and that statement you have to take its proper meaning. Multiplying with 6. Now 6 is available in the equation number 4. So that is the coefficient of x. 6 multiplying with 6 in each term of the equation number 2. So equation number 2 is available. So in each term I will not multiply on both sides. That is, one side is left hand side, one side is left hand side, and other side is right hand side. So both sides I will multiply with 6. Okay, student. So after multiplication we will use. Okay, student. So further I will use this concept in the equation number. I will use this concept in equation number 2, and after simplifying I will get a result, and that result I will display on the whiteboard. So each and every student has to write this information on your notebook, because this is important. Because without this information you will try to solve a question which is related to elimination method. So you have to use this concept, and then you will apply that. Okay, student. So further I am going to use this instruction, that is this statement in the equation number 2, and then we will write the solution. So I am going to erase this one because there is no space. So there is need to remove it. So I will multiply like this. So 11x minus 9y minus 4. In the left hand side I am going to multiply with 6, and in the right hand side I am going to multiply 0 is 6. Okay, student. So this 6 is multiplied with 11x, this 6 is also multiplied with minus 9y, and this 6 is also multiplied with minus 4, and this 6 will multiply with this 6 is multiplied with 0, so that will become 0. So after multiplication I can write like this. So 6 into 11x, that will be 66. 66 I will write like this, 66x, and here 6 into 9 6 are 54. So here I will write 54, and here I will say 4 6 are 24, and this will be 0 6 is 0. That will be, if I will multiply with 0 with any number, so that number will become 0. Okay, student. So further this information, that is this equation I can simplify and write like this. 66x, here I am going to write 66x minus 54y, and then I write here minus 24, which is equal to 0. Okay, student. So each and every student has to write this information. Okay. So again I have got this will be equation number 5. I will say this is the equation number 5. Okay, student. Now again here I have got the coefficient of x is 66. Now here I have to also get the coefficient of x is 66. So this is multiplied with this term. Now further in next step I write a statement. I will multiply with 11 in the equation number 4 on both sides and in each term. Okay, student. So one statement I have to write here. Okay, student. So this information I am going to erase. Now here I am going to multiplying with 11 in each term, of the equation number 4. Here equation number 4 is given. So here I will write equation number 4 on both sides. On both sides we get after multiplication. Okay, students. So this information I will use here in the equation number 4. Multiplying with 11. Now here number 11 is given because it is taken from the equation number 4, which is the coefficient of x. So multiply with 11 in each term of equation number 4 on both sides we get. So this instruction I will use in the equation number 4, and after using I will get this line. So now this information I am going to erase because here there is no space, so I will use this information in the equation number 4. So I will write 6x minus 5y, and then I will put minus 3, and we have to multiply with 11, and in the right hand side I have to write 0 into 11. Okay, student. So this instruction I have already used. So we have to erase this one for doing further calculation. So I am going to erase this. Okay, student. If you have any doubt, so you ask. I will also resolve your solution. So here I have written one equation. That equation I have to write. That is 66x minus 54y minus 24. That was 0. And I have put that is the equation number 5. Okay, because that is important because I have used their elimination method. Okay, students, again I am going to resolve this one. So here I will put imply that 11 into 6, that will be 66x, and here I will write 11 into 5, that will be 55y, and here will be 11 into 3, that will be 33. But in the right hand side I will put it in 0 because 11 is multiplied with 0, that will become 0. So I will say this is the equation number 6 because equation number 4 I write. So equation number 5 here I am going to write 66x minus 54y, and here I will write 24, which is equal to 0. And I will say this is the equation number 5 already I have written there. Okay, students. So here I will write equation number 5. Now further I will use the concept of elimination method because my target was to make the equal coefficient of x in both equations. So I have already obtained the equal coefficient of x in both equations. Now here I will use the concept of elimination method. So the concept of elimination method is that here both signs are equal same, if both signs are same. So here I will write on subtracting. So on subtracting. Here I will write on subtracting. After subtracting we will get. On subtracting I will change the each term sign. If term will have plus sign, so I will put below negative sign. If term will have negative sign, so below I will put minus sign. So below sign will be of each term. So here plus sign is available, so I will put here minus. Here minus sign is available, so I will put here plus, and here minus sign is available, I will put here plus, and here plus is available, so I will put minus. So plus and minus sign will cancel out. So here the 54 is plus sign, 54 has plus sign, and 55 has minus sign. So I will put here minus. I will subtract from 55 and I will subtract 50 plus 54 from 50 minus 55, so it will be here 155. and here will be, I will say here is available the value, here is available 33, so I will subtract from 33, this 33 has minus sign and this has plus sign, so I will put here minus sign, so it will be I will subtract 13, I will subtract 13 minus 4, that is 9. Here will be 9 is equal to 0. I will put here 0. Okay, student. So this is the required concept. But here minus sign is coming, so I will put there minus 9. So that will be plus 45 plus 45. That will be plus 45. That will be plus 45. Okay, no issue. I am going to get its value. Okay, so that will be plus 45. So that will be 43, 42. So 42. So I will get its value. No issue. Okay. So according to information, I will get its value. So its value will be on subtraction. That will be, here I can write because there is no space, so here I will take its value like this. So it will be, so fraction I am going to check. So one was x plus 3 divided by y plus 3, which is equal to 5 divided by 6. 6x plus 18 minus 5y minus 15. So it will be plus. So here will be plus sign. Okay. Here will be plus sign. Okay. So here will be plus. So here will be plus, and here will be plus. Also it will change. So it will be 7, and this will be and other. Other I am going to say x plus 2 divided by y plus 2, which is equal to 9 divided by 11. So 11x plus 22 minus 9y minus 18. So I will say that is 11. So that will be, this will be also plus. So this will be also minus sign. So here will be minus sign. So 11x minus 9y plus, here will be, here will be plus. Here will be plus. Okay, student, and here will be also plus. Now further I am going to give its solution. Now, so it will be minus sign, so here will be plus sign. So after subtracting, I will get its value minus y plus 9, which is equal to 0. Okay, student, after erasing, I will get its value. So here I will imply that y is equal to minus y. Here I will put, here I will put, imply that minus y, which is equal to minus 9. So minus minus sign will cancel out. So here I will put y equal to 9. Okay, student. So one value of y I have got. So here I will put the value of y is 9. Now here I have to get the value of x. Now further I will put the one statement putting the value of y in equation second, and then we get. Okay, student. So further now I am going to set the value of y also. Here I have set there. Okay, so there is no need to write this data here. Now further I am going to write one statement putting the value of y in equation second, here second degree take. Putting the value of y in equation second, we get. So here we will write that equation, that is 11x minus 9y plus 4, which is equal to 0. This is the equation number second. Here I have to write. Okay. Now this statement, this information we have to use in this equation. So in the place of y, I have to put the value of y is 9. So here I will write 11x minus 9 into 9, and then here I will put 4, which is equal to 0. Okay, student. Further, again I will resolve. So above data I am going to erase for further calculation. So here I will multiply that 11x minus 9 into 9. I will put here 81 and plus 4, which is equal to 0. Here again I will write 11x, and here I will subtract from this. So I will put here 7, and here 7 is available. So I will put here 0. Okay, student. Further I will simplify. Here I will write in the left hand side 11x is equal to 77. Okay, student, we concentrate on this video for understanding the solution of this question. Okay. Further I will also write x is equal to 77 divided by 11. So 11 1 11 and 11 7 77. Okay, student. Further I will write the value of x, which is equal to 7. The value of x is equal to 7. So here I will put the value of x is equal to 7. So one line whose name is L1 and other line whose name is L2, and both lines have slope. Both lines have slope different. That is, one line has slope m1 and other line has slope m2, and then both slopes are not equal to each other. In other words, we can say that m1 is not equal to m2. It means that both lines will intersect at a point, and that point I will say that is the I, that is the point of intersection, and its coordinate will be x comma y. When I have used the concept of substitution method and I have solved both linear equations in two variables, and after solving I have got the value of x, which is equal to 7, and the value of y is 9. Okay, student. Now further in the question we have to find the fraction of the given question. Okay, student. For this information I am going to erase. After erasing I will write the fraction name, the required fraction. Required fraction is equal to x divided by y, that is already written here. So here the value of x is equal to 7, so here I will put 7, and the value of y is equal to 9, so here I will put the value of y is 9. So this is required answer of my question of the given question. Okay, student. So according to this way, solution of any question can be done, and that question is based on pair of linear equation in two variables, because here the questions is given in sentence, and you have to read these sentence. After reading, and you have to take its geometrical meaning, and then you have to write information, and after writing equation conditions, after using the conditions, you will simplify, and then you will get linear equations in two variables, and both equations there will be two equations. So both that equation is also in the form of pair of linear equation in variables. So after simplifying this one, and I have got its required fraction. That required fraction is y divided by 9, which is equal to 7 divided by 9, and this is the final answer of the given question. Okay, student. So if you have any doubt, any confusion, any issue, so you have to comment positively, and I will see your comment, and then I will reply the solution of your comment positively. And simultaneously, if you are understanding very well, so simultaneously you like this live video, and also you subscribe this educational channel with your colleagues and friends, and simultaneously you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can improve their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, students, on the same time, that is 10 past to 7 p.m. That is 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or quarter past to 8 p.m. I will meet always online. Okay, student. So always you take the advantage of this live teaching. This live teaching, that is all totally based on free class online teaching. Okay, student. So this is the class 10th mathematics, and which is based on English medium. So you always project on the same time, that is 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or half past to 8 p.m. or quarter past to 8 p.m. So I will be present, and you take the advantage from here, and you also read this these chapter, that is real number chapter, polynomial chapter, and also pair of linear equation in two variables in live video that is available in English medium, but in video section you will go in video section, so you will find the concept of these three chapters. That is one chapter name, whose name is real number, and second is polynomial, and third is pair of linear equation in two variables. You will get a solution in Hindi medium, and also you will get the uh, concept of these three chapters in Hindi medium. From there you can also learn, because one student has commented, you sir, you translate in Hindi. So I am saying to that student, you go in my video section, and you see all data all data are available in Hindi medium. From there you can learn. Okay, student. And English medium is very easy, because you have to listen each and every classes properly, and then after some time you will understand very well. So you can also understand, because each and every information I have already elaborated, that is described in detail. Okay, student. So on the same time tomorrow I will meet, and tomorrow I will start next chapter, whose name is quadratic equation. That is the chapter number 4 in Hindi medium. I can say that is द्विघात समीकरण. So I will start quadratic equation, that is the chapter number 4. So you concentrate on uh, these live video. Okay, student. So tomorrow on the same time, that is 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I will meet, and I will describe and about the concept of quadratic polynomial, quadratic equations. Okay, student. So you concentrate on it daily. Okay, student. Thank you for watching, listening properly, and also writing those informations which are available on the blackboard, and also those informations which I am speaking with you. Okay, students. So properly you understand it. Okay, bye all of you, and bye audience.